tit 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 kring 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 tit tit. I'm a rickshaw puller. I have come out in the morning to my house. When I was coming out to my house, my wife told me, take a sari for me, bring a sari for me. And also my children told me, Father, bring a pant and t-shirt for me. After a few days on Eid day. So Eid is knocking at the door right now. So I'm very upset. How I will earn money? I don't see the customer. Where is the customer? How I will earn the money? Okay, sir. What is?
I will go to Muktagasa market.
Yes, I will go to Muktagasa market, sir. Please sit down. Sit down on my rickshaw. Please sit down. Sit down. Take a seat. Sit down, please.
How much?
It's 150 taka, sir.
Is Thomas?
Not too much, sir. It's available every day. I go 150 taka. It's not too much. Okay, sir. I will give you 20 taka less for you. Okay, sit down. Jump on my rickshaw. Jump on, please. Jump on my rickshaw, please. Okay. Sir, have you sit properly? Bhalobhabe borchen?
Yes.
Okay. Take care. Be careful. Okay. Titit, 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 pum, pum, titit. Kring, 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 kring.
Please stop the rickshaw.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. So, give me my money, sir. Give me my money.
Here you are.
Thank you, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir. See you again. Bye, sir. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Titit, titit, kring, 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 kring. Oh my God. I'm very hungry today. There's a restaurant over there. I go to the restaurant and I see what is the special today. I have to eat. I'm very hungry now.
Assalamu alaikum. Well, sit down.
Walaikum assalam. Thank you. Excuse me, could I see the menu, please?
Yes. Wait 1 minute.
Okay. It's very hot day today. What can I do? Very hot day.
Here you are.
Thank you. Oh, there is a lot of item here. Pizza, burger, biryani, fuchka, chotpoti. Oh, there are so many things. What can I eat? What's your special today?
Kachi biryani.
Kachi biryani.
Yes.
Oh, that sounds great. So I will have that, please. One plate, please.
Wait 5 minutes.
Thank you.
Here you are.
Thank you. A bottle of water. Do you have water?
Yes.
Okay, a bottle of water, please. A glass of water. It's very tasty. Oh, I didn't eat before this kind of biryani.
Here you are.
Thank you. Okay, I have finished. Take it. It's very hot day today. So, how much is this? কত টাকা? 20?
Yes.
Biryani 20 taka. It's amazing. 20 taka. Here you are. Thank you. এখন কি বলবা? Come again, sir. Okay?
Come again.
Okay, I will see you another day. Bye.